Lesson 1. Declaring a variable. You already know that algebra is used to solve problems that would be difficult or impossible to solve with arithmetic. Unlike arithmetic, algebra uses variables to solve problems. Recall that a variable is a letter, such as x, that stands for an unknown number. One of the most common uses of algebra is to solve word problems. A word problem presents you with a real-life situation and asks you to find a solution using the information provided. Solving an algebra word problem usually begins by declaring a variable. That is, choosing a letter to stand for an unknown number in the problem. A common practice when declaring a variable is to use a letter that makes sense, such as an initial of an important key word in the problem. For example, suppose you declare the variable b to represent the number of laps that Brittany ran during her track team practice. Now you can use this variable to represent key phrases in the word problem as expressions. For example, the phrase 4 more laps than Brittany ran becomes the expression b plus 4. You can express 6 fewer laps than Brittany ran as b minus 6. Write 3 times as many laps as Brittany ran as 3b. And translate half as many laps as Brittany ran as b over 2. As another example, suppose you declare the variable c to stand for the number of cookies that Damien sold for his school play. In this case, you can express 15 more cookies than Damien sold as the expression c plus 15. 9 fewer cookies than Damien sold becomes c minus 9. Translate 5 times as many cookies as Damien sold as 5c. And express 1/4 of the number of cookies that Damien sold as c over 4.